Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on the application of REDnote. Here we click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find the REDnote app. Here in this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then here in this page of storage, you will click on clear cache as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.